What's the most important ingredient in your kitchen? Is it the fresh produce, the spices, or the proteins? Think again. The most crucial ingredient that can make or break your dish is the cooking oil. And, did you know that the type of cooking oil you use can significantly impact the nutritional value and taste of your food? In fact, a study published in the Journal of Food Science found that using the right oil can increase the antioxidant content of your dishes by up to 69%. And this will help in reducing your risk of getting heart diseases and cancer. So it is crucial to choose the right type of cooking oil as it radically affects our way of life. In this video, we're going to explore the world of cooking oils and find out which ones are the best to use in your kitchen. So, if you want to learn how to make delicious meals that can also keep you and your loved ones healthy, keep watching. Cooking oil is a crucial ingredient in most cuisines around the world. From frying to sautéing to baking, cooking oil plays an important role in creating delicious and nutritious meals. But due to availability of so many types of oil, it is often difficult to find the right one that suits your requirement. In terms of popularity, vegetable oil, canola oil, and olive oil are among the most widely used cooking oils in the world. Coconut oil has also become increasingly popular in recent years and is widely used in most parts of South Asia. But popularity suggests a mere preference among consumers and doesn't say much about the health quotient of these oils. And in order to specifically understand that, we need to consider three important factors of the oil that you use. The first factor we need to look at is the smoke point of the oil. The smoke point is the temperature at which the oil starts to break down and release harmful compounds. This can damage cells and increase the risk of deadly diseases like cancer. For your reference, here are the list of smoke points for commonly used oils around the world. Avocado oil, 520 degrees Fahrenheit or 271 degrees Celsius. Refined vegetable oil, 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Refined canola oil, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Extra virgin olive oil, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Refined coconut oil, 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. It's important to note that the exact smoke point can vary depending on factors such as the quality of the oil and the specific brand you use. It's generally recommended to use oils with low smoke point for lower heat cooking methods, such as baking or sautéing, while using oils with high smoke point for higher heat cooking methods such as frying. The second factor to consider is the nutritional value of the oil. Nutritional value not only depends on the inherent nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids, but also the type of fat present in the oil. Different oils contain different types of fats, including saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats. Saturated fats and trans fats raise your cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Now let us look at the nutritional properties of most widely used cooking oils. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve your heart health. It's also high in antioxidants, which in turn reduces the risk of certain types of cancer. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed type and contains the most nutrients. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin E and other antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage. It is also a good source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. This will help in maintaining vital balance of our cholesterol levels, and also facilitate healthy development of our body due to the presence of essential fatty acids. Canola oil. Canola oil also has high concentrations of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, making it a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain and heart health. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are a type of fatty acid that can be easily absorbed and used for energy by the body. MCTs are thought to have a positive effect on weight loss and brain function. Additionally, some studies have shown that coconut oil can help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Now let us look at the third factor, which is the processing method of the oil. Number 1. Cold-pressed or expeller-pressed oils. These oils are extracted using a mechanical process without the use of heat or chemicals, which helps to preserve their natural nutrients and flavor. Olive oil, avocado oil, and flaxseed oil are mostly processed using this method. Number 2. Refined oils. These oils undergo processing methods such as bleaching, deodorizing, and high heat extraction, which can strip away some of their natural nutrients and flavor. However, they can still be a healthy choice if they are high in healthy fats and low in harmful compounds. Sunflower oil, canola oil, and coconut oil are mainly processed using this method. Number 3. Hydrogenated oils. These oils are typically vegetable oils that have been chemically processed to make them more solid and shelf-stable. This process can create harmful trans fats, which can increase the risk of diseases. For example, some vegetable oils are extracted using hexane, a chemical solvent that can leave trace amounts in the oil. Soybean oil and corn oil are mainly extracted using this method. Even some brands of sunflower oil and canola oil are processed using hydrogenation. In conclusion, it is important to understand that there are a wide variety of cooking oils available, each with its own unique flavor and properties. Some oils, like olive oil and coconut oil, have been found to have potential health benefits, while others, with high trans fats, have been linked to a variety of health problems. By being aware of the health and nutritional properties of different oils, as well as the smoke point and flavor profile, you can make informed choices about which cooking oils to use in your kitchen based on your individual needs.